Hello viewers, welcome to the Goals. Today my topic is callouts. In this video, we will learn how to use callouts in Camtasia. So here you can see callouts tab. Click on it. Now click on this drop down menu. Now here we have some ready-made shapes like arrows, rectangles and speech bubbles to communicate information, and other shapes, sketch motion, and we have other styles include blur, spotlight, highlights, hotspots, keystrokes and more. So select anyone and resize it like that. We can customize fill color, line width, transparency and other effects. Like we can change the fill color from here and apply effects from here which we want, and we can change the border color, and if you want to increase the font size you can do, and if you want to decrease you can also do it from here. Now we use sketch motion. So select and resize it that how you want. Now click on play to see the preview. We can increase and decrease the draw time from here. Now again see the preview, and we can also do changing in fade out. Now we will see the next special. For this we need a video. So I have a video here, so drag it like that and click on play. Now click on callouts and now click on blur. So you can see the blur. Which area you want to blur, you can select. Now click on play. Now we will see how to use spotlight. Select spotlight and click on. Now here we have spotlight, and if you want to replace this spotlight to highlight, so click on highlighter. Now click on play, and we can also use the pixelate like that. And if you want to use traditional keystrokes, so we can use it. Select it and resize it. Now click on play. So we can use callouts in different ways. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.